In the fast-paced realm of technology, one race is gaining momentum and capturing the attention of nations and corporations alike: the quantum computing race. Quantum computing, a field that combines the principles of quantum mechanics with computer science, promises to revolutionize the way we process information, solve complex problems, and secure data. In this video, we will explore the quantum computing race, its implications for the world, and the factors shaping its trajectory. The quantum divide. At the heart of the quantum computing race lies a fundamental concern: the quantum divide. The World Economic Forum, WEF, and many experts express apprehensions about the emergence of a quantum divide among nations. Just as the industrial revolutions of the past transformed societies, the fourth industrial revolution, characterized by quantum computing, threatens to create disparities of unimaginable proportions. Klaus Schwab, the founder and executive chairman of the WEF, envisions a world where quantum technology fundamentally transforms the way we live, work, and relate to one another, but this transformation could come at a high cost. On one side of the divide are nations and organizations that are actively investing in quantum technology, recognizing its potential to reshape industries, advance scientific research, and enhance national security. On the other side are those that lag behind, lacking the resources or awareness to participate fully in the quantum computing race. Public perception and policy. The race for quantum supremacy is further complicated by public perception and policy decisions. Notable figures like Elon Musk and Steve Wozniak have called for temporary halts in artificial intelligence (AI) development due to concerns about the impact on jobs and the potential for AI to achieve sentience. Geoffrey Hinton, often referred to as the "godfather of AI", left Google to raise concerns about AI's dangers. These public sentiments cast a shadow of doubt over advanced technologies, including quantum computing. Matt Johnson, co-founder and CEO of quantum computing development firm QCware, offers a contrasting viewpoint. Johnson, a former Air Force captain and finance executive, believes that quantum computing can bridge gaps and offer accessibility even to economically struggling nations. His optimism hinges on collaboration between public and private sectors within leading nations. This collaborative approach, he contends, will be pivotal in ensuring that quantum technologies reach all levels of society. International collaboration. The race for quantum computing supremacy is not confined within national borders. Instead, it's a global endeavor that relies on international collaboration. Governments and quasi-governmental bodies are actively fostering relationships and agreements with like-minded countries to advance quantum technology. The United States, in particular, is seen as pragmatic about quantum technology, recognizing the need for global cooperation to harness its full potential. Private sector investment. While there are geopolitical considerations at play, the private sector also plays a significant role in the quantum computing race. Unlike governmental boundaries, there are no borders in the private sector, and money flows where positive returns are expected. Johnson's insights reveal that a substantial portion of quantum computing development is driven by non-U.S. investors, particularly European and Asian corporations. These investors view quantum computing as an opportunity to bridge the technology gradient between their regions and the United States. Financial disparities and strategic investments are noteworthy in the context of the quantum race. China leads the pack with substantial investments, followed closely by the combined efforts of the United States and Europe. However, more than 150 countries lack national strategies or initiatives for quantum research and development. Johnson's perspective raises the question of whether the quantum divide can be mitigated through information sharing and collaboration, potentially alleviating the disparities in quantum technology access. Government funding and priorities. Government funding, or the lack thereof, has a profound impact on the quantum computing race. The United States government, through the National Quantum Initiative, has recognized the critical importance of quantum technologies for national competitiveness and security. Its funding for quantum technologies falls short compared to China's investments. The disparity in funding directly affects the pace of development and deployment of quantum technologies. While the U.S. government acknowledges the significance of quantum technologies, it appears to rely heavily on private companies to fill the funding gap. This approach may work well for applied research and product development, where the private sector is adept at taking risks. Quantum technology development, akin to historic moonshot initiatives, demands substantial government funding, which is currently lacking. Encryption and security concerns. Quantum computing's potential to break current encryption systems poses a significant security concern. As nefarious actors collect data with the intention of exploiting quantum computing advancements, both government and private sector entities must be proactive in safeguarding sensitive data and intellectual property. Addressing this impending threat requires close collaboration between government agencies and industry experts. The U.S. government's response to this threat raises questions. While quantum computing's impact on encryption is described as a high priority, the visible actions taken by the U.S. government remain limited. The lack of robust government intervention in addressing encryption vulnerabilities may have far-reaching consequences for national security and economic interests. The race for practical applications. The quantum computing race is not solely about technological advancement but also about discovering practical applications. While the industry discusses applications in artificial intelligence, machine learning, material design, and drug discovery, the specifics of these applications are still evolving. Nation-states and corporations look to quantum computing to harness AI and address the opportunities and threats it presents. The possibility of information sharing. Once practical applications are discovered, the quantum race could shift towards information sharing. Historically, advanced technologies have been guarded through intellectual property protections. Quantum computing is likely to follow a similar trajectory, with countries and corporations eager to protect their quantum innovations. The competition for quantum knowledge may intensify, making information sharing more challenging. Accessibility and socio-economic considerations. The issue of accessibility to quantum computing is a critical one. As nations and corporations advance in the quantum race, the question arises, will less developed countries be able to access quantum resources? Quantum computing systems are designed to connect to the cloud, eliminating the need for physical transport of quantum computers to impoverished regions. What is essential for accessibility is basic internet connectivity. With internet access, countries can tap into quantum power on a pay-as-you-go basis through cloud providers like Amazon and Google.s. The quantum computing race is undoubtedly a fast and furious competition, marked by geopolitical rivalries, public perception, and varying levels of government and private sector investment. The concept of a quantum divide, both in terms of technological advancements and socio-economic disparities, is a significant concern. Addressing this divide requires international collaboration, responsible corporate practices, and government support to bridge the gap. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos on interesting topics like this.